Welcome to Super Deals Alert. Today we are sharing with you the top 14 grooming tools and kits for men, featuring top-rated trimmers, shavers, and accessories designed for precision, comfort, and style. Whether you're managing facial hair, achieving a clean shave, or maintaining a polished look, this list has you covered. Let's get started. Number 1. Ear and Nose Hair Trimmer Clipper, 2024 Professional Painless Hair Trimmer, Battery-Operated Trimmer with IPX7 Waterproof, Dual-Edge Blades for Easy Cleansing Black. Number 2. Philips Norelco Multi-Groomer All-in-One Trimmer Series 3000 to 13-piece men's grooming kit for beard, face, nose, ear hair trimmer, and hair clipper, OneBlade oil meted, MG 3740/40. Number 3. Gillette Fusion 5 Power Men's Razor Blade Refills, 8 count, Lubrastrip for a more comfortable shave, Gillette Fusion 5 Blades Refills, Gillette Razors for Men, Gillette Fusion 5 Razor Blades for Men. Number 4. Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 Face, Hybrid Electric Beard Trimmer and Shaver with 5-in-1 Face Stubble Comb, Frustration-Free Packaging, QP 2724/90. Number 5. Philips Norelco Shaver 2400 Rechargeable Cordless Electric Shaver with Pop-Up Trimmer, X 3001/90. Number 6. Detachable Head Shavers, Spaver 5-in-1 Electric Razor IPX7 Waterproof for Bald Men, Wet Dry LED Display Rechargeable 7D Rotary Shaver Grooming Kit with Type-C Charge. Number 7. Beard King Beard Bib Apron, Shaving Set for Dad, as seen on Shark Tank, Men's Hair Catcher for Shaving, Grooming Accessories. Number 8. Philips Norelco Shaver 7200 Rechargeable Wet and Dry Electric Shaver with SenseIQ Technology and Pop-Up Trimmer, S7887/82. Number 9. Viking Revolution Natural Boar Bristle Brush and Pearwood Comb Set for Men, Dual Action Grooming for Beards and Mustaches with Velvet Travel Pouch. Number 10. Utopia Care Professional Barber Straight Edge Razor Safety with 100 Pack Derby Blades, 100% stainless steel. Number 11. Philips Norelco 6500 Wet and Dry Electric Shaver. Number 12. Braun Series 7 7189 cubic centimeters Electric Razor Shaver Kit for Men. Number 13. Braun Electric Shaver for Men, Series 7 7185 cubic centimeters, Wet and Dry Shave, Shaving Kit with Smart Care Center and Beard Trimmer. Number 14. Braun Series 9 Pro Plus Electric Shaver, Shaving Kit with 5 Pro Shave Elements and Pro Comfort Head, Smart Care Center. The links to these products are in the description box. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching. Happy deals hunting!